In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll build a polished, professional email in Canva and get it ready to send through your favorite email platform. By the end, you'll have a clean design, clear messaging, and a clickable call to action that looks great on desktop and mobile. Start by heading to Canva and using the search bar to look for email newsletter or email template. This pulls up layouts built for readability and ease of use. Pick a clean, modern design with plenty of white space and a straightforward structure. A single-column layout is often best because it stays tidy and translates well across different screen sizes. Choose a template that already has a clear header area so your branding stands out. Next, customize the branding so the design looks like it belongs to your business. Click Styles to apply your brand colors throughout the template. Keep contrast strong so text is easy to read. Swap the fonts for clean, web-friendly options like Open Sans, Lotto, or Montserrat. And keep heading and body sizes consistent for a professional hierarchy. Upload your logo and place it right at the top. Make sure it's crisp, not oversized, and aligned with the header for a balanced first impression. Now, replace the placeholder text with high-converting copy. Click any text box and start with a clear headline that tells the reader exactly what the email is about. Follow with short body text that explains the value in a sentence or two. Keep paragraphs tight and scannable. Include one simple call to action, like download now or shop today, so there's no confusion about the next step. Add one main image that supports your message and avoid clutter by removing extra graphics. For the call to action button, go to Elements, search for button, drop it into your layout, and edit the text. Use a contrasting color and action-oriented wording to make it easy to click. When you're ready to send, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG or JPG for a reliable image file that most email platforms accept. If your email tool supports PDF emails, you can choose PDF Standard. Keep file sizes reasonable so your email loads quickly. Finally, import your image or PDF into your email software, such as MailChimp or ConvertKit, and place it where your audience will see it immediately. That's it. You now have a branded, clear, and conversion-focused email ready to send.